watching Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I am back with another wig tutorial. I know you guys are probably so tired of me suggesting a different wig every day, but this one I am actually so excited about because, okay, once I put it on, you guys will see what I'm talking about. So today we're going blonde again. We have another blonde wig from Rpgshow here. You guys know how much I love their blonde wigs, and they wanted me to try another one for you. Why does this look like the exact same wig that I had last time? So this is the wig that we have here. It honestly looks similar to that last one that I did try from them, but we're just gonna try it on and see what it's given. It does come with the extra elastic band. It also has some combs on the inside. To be completely honest with you guys, I feel like these straps right here, it does nothing for me. So what really secures my wig is this one right here, the one that's actually sewn onto your cap. Is what really makes my wig glueless. To be honest, I feel like they be putting these ones here just for show. They honestly don't do much for my wigs. Most of the times if my wig does have these ones here, I usually remove them. This one is not removable, so I'm just going to tighten it to the tightest hook, which is the last hook there, and we're going to try it. So this one is way darker. It does fit really snug onto my head. The color is very pretty. It's kind of giving me like that salt and pepper look, which I actually really like this color. It's not too bright, but the color is beautiful nonetheless. Also, this wig was created using their new technology to create skin-like knots. So the knots on your wig are pretty much invisible, and also the parting space is a lot more natural. With this method, you don't have to do any bleaching, and it just saves you a lot of time, especially when it comes to like customizing your wig. Overall, it just looks like your real scalp. As you guys can see, my wig does look like it's growing completely out of my head. Mind you, I did not even cut the lace yet, but this looks so natural and I'm really loving this. On their website, this wig is called their Sophia wig. I will have the full details linked down below in the description box for you guys. Now, this is a wig that you definitely can wear glueless. When it comes to parting space, this wig is a free part wig, which means you can part this hair on any which way that you desire. Also, I got my wig in an 18-inch, but I believe on their website you are able to choose whichever length that you prefer. To lay down my wig, this is my go-to spray right here, the Ebon Wonder Lace one in the black bottle. Definitely love this. You guys, the hole that you get on this, you can never get that hole with Got2b. I definitely stopped using Got2b completely. This one has definitely changed my life. After I installed it here on camera for you guys, my wig was on my head for an extra 3 days. I even did a photo shoot in this wig, you guys, and there was absolutely no lifting. And also what I really like about this spray is that it's sweat proof. So I usually sweat a lot, especially on like my forehead area, and it does not lift no matter how much I sweat in this wig. Once I use this spray, there's no lifting. Here I'm just going in with some concealer just to highlight my parting space and make it look a little bit more visible. Here I'm just adding a bit more of that spray on the edges itself. I want like that slick back look in the front because I'm not going to be doing any baby hairs. I love a wig without baby hairs, and this wig was definitely given all type of like naturalness. Like honestly, you guys, I was downstairs in front of my building, and when I tell you guys, about at least 10 different people passed by, and all they were doing was just complimenting my hair, because like I said, I did take pictures in this hair. So every single person that passed by, they were like, oh my gosh, I love your hair, I love your hair, this or that. Also, because my hair was blowing in the wind, it looks so good. Like, I'm gonna insert a little clip just to show you guys, but this hair definitely bomb. I love it. It looks really good. Also, I just went back in with my flat iron just to curl back up the hair a little bit. But the wig itself, you guys, is such a beautiful wig. Also, the hair did not smell of bleach. Obviously, they had to bleach the hair to achieve this color. But what I like is that I cannot smell all of that bleach that they use. And also, the hair itself was really soft. Like, the hair texture The hair texture is a silky texture. I'm not sure whether it's like Indian hair, Malaysian, Peruvian, all of that. I'm not too sure. But the hair was super soft, you guys. And it did take the heat really well. It does curl up really nicely, as you guys can see. It has a lot of body to it. The hair is just like beautiful. This wig is a 200 density. It's very thick and nice. Also, the hair is sure to length. I did get an 18-inch and the wig is full throughout the entire unit. Like I said, it is true to length. The hair is just absolutely beautiful, you guys. So I highly recommend it. Also, if you are looking for a blonde wig that's not too blonde, it's more like on the darker side, I definitely recommend this one. Again, it's an RPG wig. You guys know their wigs are not the cheapest, but I feel like this one is definitely worth the money. This is a wig that you can have for 2 to 3 years or more with proper care. As long as you're taking care of your units, you guys, they will definitely last you a while. And of course, you have to do your research and make sure whoever that you're purchasing your wig from, they're using good quality hair and not just like the cheap stuff. So yeah, when it comes to Rpgshow, they always deliver on quality over quantity. Also, they are having their Black Friday sale soon, so I definitely think you guys should take advantage of that and do not miss that, especially if you want to save on some coins. Like I said, their price tag is not the cheapest. So if you do want to save on some coins, definitely take advantage of their Black Friday sale. If I do have a coupon, I will leave that listed down below for you guys. And yeah, this pretty much brings us to the ending of this video. Comment down below as usual. Let me know what you guys think about the hair. How are we feeling this one? Are we here for this blonde one or not? Let me know down below in the comment section. I will catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching Caribbean Queen, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion.